Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narendra Yadav. Today I am going to teach you very important lesson which is very helpful for all those students who want to learn English. So in this video I am going to teach you about use of since or for. This use is very important and many students do mistakes in use of since or for. So if you came to watch my video first time, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start this class. So students, first of all I am going to tell you why and where we use this since or for, since या for. So this is the very important to understand. So basically actually we use the since or for in tense, okay, and as you know that we have three kinds of tense. First one is present tense, second one is past tense, and third one is future tense. So we have three kinds of tense, okay, and each tenses are divided into four parts, okay, just like present, and second one is past and future. Is it clear? So present, past and future, we have three kinds of tense. So and each tenses are divided into four parts. Present tense, just like first one is simple present tense, and it has another name also, that is called present indefinite tense. So present simple present tense, and after then present continuous tense, and after then present perfect tense, and another last one is present perfect continuous tense, and same vice versa. Another one is past, so it will be also same, and past and future it will be only change. So simple past tense, first one is simple past tense, and another one is past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, fourth, and just like same in future it will happen same, ओके मतलब बेसिकली यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट पास्ट और फ्यूचर बदल जाएगा, बाद में कि वही होगा, और स्ट्रक्चर का डिफरेंट होगा. फ्यूचर, इन फ्यूचर सेक्शन आवर फर्स्ट टेंस इज फ्यूचर, सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस, एंड वी कैन से इन another way future indefinite tense, and second one is future continuous tense, third one is future perfect tense, and fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. So in present tense, past tense and future tense, there are, I told you present perfect continuous tense, and past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. So these tense basically we use since or for in this tense, perfect continuous type of tense. So you should keep remember. Now I am going to tell you it in Hindi language. So just like present perfect continuous tense, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हम लोग सिंस और फोर का यूज करते हैं. Is it clear, student? I hope you understand where and how we use since or for. Okay, and first of all I am going to now teach you when we will use since and when we will use for. Okay, so since basically use of since means use of since means point of time. When we will talk about point of time, just like a fixed time, it will be always fixed point of time. And another one is कब से starting, मतलब just like you can ask a question कब से, just like वो पढ़ रहा था, वो पढ़ रहा था, they were studying. So we can ask a question, मतलब कब से वो पढ़ रहा था. ओके, सो इसमें बेसिकली एग्जैक्ट टाइम, फिक्स टाइम रहता है. It has exact time and fixed time. And when in this section you can ask a question, when वो कब से पढ़ रहा था, वो कब से खेल रहा था, वो कब से गा रहा था, like that. And just like as for example, then you can tell वो कब से पढ़ रहा था, you can tell वो 2010 से पढ़ रहा था, वो 2020 से पढ़ रहा था। वो कब से पढ़ रहा था? मंडे से पढ़ रहा था, मॉर्निंग से पढ़ रहा था, बचपन से पढ़ रहा था, दैट मीन्स चाइल्डहुड। एंड yesterday वो कल से पढ़ रहा था। ओके, सो बेसिकली वी यूज since और for in perfect continuous tense, not any, you cannot use since or for in another sentence, another tense. You have to use only you have to use only perfect continuous tense. And perfect continuous tense, it is available in present tense, present tense also, past tense also, and future tense also. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about for, how we can use for. Okay, which is also very very important. So for means duration of time. When we will talk about fixed duration of time, then we have to use for. Okay, duration of time, how long. Just like कोई बच्चा पढ़ रहा था या कोई खेल रहा था, तो we can ask a question, वो कितने समय से लेके कितने समय तक खेल रहा था, पढ़ रहा था, गा रहा था, whatever they are doing. So how long मतलब पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, वो जो था, वो ड्यूरेशन ऑफ जो टाइम था, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम इसमें होगा पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, और इसमें फिक्स होगा, और एग्जैक्ट टाइम के बारे में बात किया जाएगा तो हम लोग सिंस लगाएंगे। एंड फोर में ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम रहेगा और कितने से कितने समय तक रहेगा, और नॉट फिक्स्ड, इसमें कोई टाइम फिक्स मतलब एग्जैक्टली फिक्स नहीं रहेगा। जस्ट लाइक नॉट टाइम फिक्स्ड। Actually, so example, there are given examples, some examples also, examples just like 2 hours, so we can use for 2 hours, for 2 days, for 2 weeks, for 6 months, for 10 years, for a long time, for many years. And now I'm going to talk about another example. So let's talk about it. Example, just like I have been studying फॉर 3 hours, जस्ट इसका मतलब हुआ मैं 3 घंटे से पढ़ रहा था। आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग फॉर 3 hours। another one, from help of this sentence you can make a different type of sentence also, just like I have been playing cricket. I have been playing cricket for 3 hours. I have been studying for 2 weeks. I have been studying for 6 months. I have been studying for a long time. Okay, so in this section you can use for. And now let's talk about it. Another example in since section. So we have one example. I have been studying since 2000. तो जब हम लोग 2020 से पढ़ रहे थे या कुछ भी कर रहे थे, इसमें एग्जैक्ट टाइम और फिक्स टाइम के बारे में दिया गया है कि 2020 से ही कर रहा था, तो हम लोग वहां पे सिंस लगाएंगे। आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग सिंस 2020 एंड आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग। मतलब सिंस का यूज होगा ना, इसमें पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जो रहेगा वो टाइम जैसे फिक्स रहेगा, और इसमें फोर में कितने समय तक दिया रहेगा, जैसे 4 घंटे, 5 घंटे, 5 दिन, 5 वीक और 2 वीक। मतलब इसमें एक टाइम शेड्यूल रहेगा, टाइम ड्यूरेशन रहेगा और बताया गया रहेगा इसमें। और इसमें ऐसा नहीं रहेगा, इसमें मंडे से ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग, मॉर्निंग से yesterday से, like that. So I have been studying since, and you can make another sentence also. I have been studying since morning. I have been studying since 5 p.m. I have been studying since childhood. I have been studying since yesterday. Okay, so I hope your doubt has been cleared, and I hope you really found out this video very helpful for you. So you can share this video among your friends and your family members who are studying English and who want to improve their English. And please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It gives me lots of motivation, and you can drop your feedback in comment sections. And I am reading also some books which is very powerful and which change me a lot in my day-to-day life. So I recommend you should also read that books and I will give that books links in description box, so you can check out from description box of this video. And you can follow me on my social media handles. All the social media handles link will be also given in description box. And thanks for watching this video. Wish you all the best. Take care, and we will meet soon.